So I'm Matt Petrie. My company is called ZTK Enterprises. We're based out of Toledo, Ohio. We're an exterior construction company, do residential and commercial. But we started out as mainly a gutter company. That's what we did exclusively at the beginning, and then kind of, have grown. We started out with, it was an old beat up, I think gutter maker, 5-inch, and kind of just expanded as we've grown as a company to a point where we were able to purchase, a NTM 5-inch combo machine, and it's kind of been a game changer for us, really. As far as the commercial field, there's probably only about 15–20% of gutter installers in Toledo that are capable of doing commercial. So the flexibility to do both under one machine, I mean, it's versatile. It opens a lot of doors. We really don't have problems with the new tech. Our other older machine, every now and then, we'll have to pull the lids off and get in there and see what's wrong, see if it's misaligned, that kind of thing. With new tech, we haven't run into that. So it's just more time that we're able to work and install and not mess around. I can say from personal experience, the new tech's been great. The big thing that I would like to point out is the customer support. When I actually flew out to Denver and they gave me a rundown, Nate, he's great there, gave me a rundown of the machine, spent several hours with me one-on-one, showed me how to use the machine, how to change it over, what to do, what not to do. To be able to talk on that level with a guy like Nate, we were able to click, and it was great to see his insight compared to my own and how I can utilize that information with the machine. I've worked a lot with new techs. There's minor features that when you use the machine every day, day in and day out, that make your time go a lot quicker. The ability to choose how many spools and the 3 different locations, up to 3 spools or cradles if you want. We did 2 spools and a cradle, and then with those spools we did a transfer rack. It's just very flawless as far as interchanging the coils and colors and sizes. It's just a lot more efficient. Time saves a lot of time. Time is money. It's our next step, right? This company is my child. It's my baby. I spend every waking hour on it in some way, form, shape, And to be able to take that next step, to branch out, 1, for commercial, but 2, it's just the efficiency of the machine itself, the speed that it runs gutter off. It's also quality. Quality is basically what quality of work transfers to is, word of mouth jobs, and it allows us to maybe go to that next step and buy another machine and do metal roofs and metal siding and panels.